How to add contacts in WhatsApp Wave. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can add contact on WhatsApp Wave. So let's get started. So if you're on your WhatsApp Wave and if you like to add new contact, what you have to do is you have to download an extension. So for that, open up new tab and in the search bar search for Chrome Web Store and then click on the first link. And here navigate to the search bar and search for InTouch app. Now you have to download this first extension that says InTouch app and then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. Go to your extension icon and here it says InTouch app is now added to your extension. Now what you have to do is go back to the WhatsApp Wave, refresh it once more. Now once you refresh it, there you can see this plus icon in the WhatsApp Wave. Now what you have to do is install this InTouch application in your mobile device and you have to log in right there. And once you're logged in there, you can add contact in WhatsApp Wave. So click on this plus icon, click on add new contact, and then you can add the contact number along with your name in WhatsApp once you're logged in from InTouch application in your mobile device. So this is the way to add contact in WhatsApp Wave, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.